Welcome back. Today, hopefully a quick video. This cable LAN tester. You see when it flashes, one of the LEDs is dead. Actually, on both sides the LEDs are dead. So we open it up, have a look, see what's wrong, fix it. Maybe make a short video, or not maybe, we are making a short video of it. So let's move forward. Having a look. I don't see any screws. Get this battery off. So looking at the pins, see if any of these pins are stuck. Right. Let's try to open it up. Don't see screws, it should be clips. Yeah, it's moving slightly, but let's see. I'm trying to pry open the sides. See if there's any clips. The sides actually open, split easily as if there is no clips, but it's definitely held back in the center. Yeah, definitely. The side is easy to get the screwdriver in here. So I'm not sure. There should be screws somewhere. I'll bring you back when I find them. Well, it seems there's some screws at the back here, behind this label. I hope it's not LEDs. Let's check that. Let's just put the battery back. See if it's not LEDs. Yeah, there's no LEDs here, so no, this label is stuck. This is some good Chinese stuff. Let's poke through that label. And let's see what's the back. Right, finally we found some screws. So 4 of them on the face of the test unit. Just taking them out quickly. So 4 self-tappers. Yeah, I've got some of the label open there. Finally, we're inside. Now this little button, don't let it fall away. Just going to keep it here on the side. PC board, back cover. Let's open another one as well, and we can check both simultaneously. Right, let's get it under the microscope and have a look. Well, soldering looks good. Don't see any. Come zoom. As I I don't see any dry joints. We will just go over with the solder again. Let's have a look at the pins. Pins all in place, all bent out properly. Just trying to get the microscope to catch up, guys. It is. So all the pins look nicely in place, they're all bent straight out. Just have a look at the bottom there. Yeah. Have a look at the control unit as well. Same thing. There's one pin, the second one from the left side, that's slightly in. Shouldn't be a problem. There's more enough travel to make it work. Just take a terminal screwdriver and just see if it's yeah, it seems to be fine. I think what we will do next is we will plug in the RJ45 cable. Soldering on this side looks good as well. We plug in this RJ45 cable and we do continue testing between the two sockets, just making sure that all the pins are working nicely and all the pads are soldered properly. Yeah, doesn't look bad. This is the RJ11 side and this is the RJ45 side. Okay, let's go over to split the screen. Fine, let's go over. Right. So on the top side you've got, I'll have the multimeter up for you. And the bottom is a microscope image. Bring the multimeter in view for you. You can have a look. Right, so you're just going to measure from pin to pin. So on pin 1 and pin 8. And you will see, yeah, we've got continuity all the way through. So I'm measuring all these pins through. I'll bring it back when all of them are done. Right, we found something on the board. It seems that this LED is not connected to the connector. There's no continuity there. Something odd on the board here. It's not a crack. Maybe some dust, but yeah, there's no connectivity between the two pads. Just heating it up, making sure we've got no dry joints. Let's test it quickly again. We still don't have any connectivity. Let's look at this board. So that track definitely seems intact. There's some flux on that LED which we will clean off, but for the rest this track looks fine. I think what we can do is this track actually extends over to the RJ11 as well. Let's just test between the RJ11 and the RJ45. Zoom in. Let's just test between RJ11 and RJ45 on that pin. Pin 2 should be pin 1. And we've got connectivity, so that pad is definitely working. So I'm just going to put a piece of link wire between the connector and LED. I'll bring it back afterwards. Right, let's test this again, see what we've got. See if you guys can see that. There's still one LED there off on a small side, on a small PC board. Put the light off here. You can see on the main test unit all the LEDs are on, but on this small board number 2 is still dead. So you actually have more than one fault on this board. There's something we will need to trace. I do suspect this time it might be the LED, because on the first test we've done, we've tested all the tracks all the way through. We know that the connection is all the way through, so whatever is fault will be on the small board. Let's have a look. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and replace this LED. Don't have the exact same one, but replace it and test it temporarily, and if it's working I'll get the right LED for this. Let's just see what happens. Right, it seems that the LED was also faulty. This one is not as bright as other ones, but I'll replace it with a new one. Let's get these lights off. Let me get this viewer out of the way. So now you can see all the LEDs are on. That one is just very dim. I will replace it. I'm not going to bore you with assembling it again and all of that. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this type of videos, subscribe, click that like button. I'll see you on the next one.